Bonjour and welcome back to French Action. Singular or plural? That is the question. A few mistakes I often see inspired me to make this video for you. Do you think you can get everything right? Let's see. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Tout le monde, you know tout le monde, you say bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone, hello everybody. So tout le monde, monde is the word for world. Okay, so if you wanted to say what a world, you would say quel monde, and you wouldn't have an article here. But the real question for me here is, what do we say? Tout le monde est ou tout le monde sont? Tout le monde est. So remember, tout le monde is always followed by a verb in the singular form. Now, look at the number 350. There are 3 different spellings. Which one would you choose? And this is the correct answer. Remember, 300 needs to have the S. But if you have another number after, the S is dropped. Which chair are you going to use? So for this one, we're going to say CHER because it is an adverb. So what do we say? La plupart des Français achètent or achètent with the plural form une baguette chaque jour. La plupart des Français means most of the French people. The answer is achète with the plural form because you always have the plural form after la plupart. The seats are brown. Which form are you going to use? No S with marron. That's it from me. Au revoir!